Bitcoin market situation. So today I am going to analyze Bitcoin. We had a rather pleasant surprise this morning. For my part, we have actually managed to make quite a bit of money, I must say. And for this particular analysis, I'm going to be utilizing my very own indicator, the indicator that I personally developed, which is known as the Crypto-Quebec indicator. Before we delve any further into the details, I really do want to take a moment to invite you to go ahead and grab it for yourself, completely free of charge. You already know that you need to do this, obviously, to participate effectively in this market, right? All you really have to do is just click right here on Indicator and then proceed to go and retrieve the indicator on the Discord server. Right now, even as we speak live, we can actually see that within the live section of the Discord, there's someone who is actively engaged in live trading, with a total of 18 people currently present in the channel. So obviously, if this sort of thing genuinely interests you, you should definitely join our Discord server, and you too will then be able to participate in the live trading sessions. So you just click right here and you can grab the indicator on the Discord. If you're interested in trading alongside me, as you can clearly see down here at the bottom, right next to my face, I've actually managed to recover my investment, amounting to $10,000. Obviously, this is all done through Bitmart. If you decide to join my team using this link right here, here, and here, I will personally invite you into my private Telegram group, and we've now reached a total of 561 members. I'm going to be discussing some of our results a little bit later on, but you can see here $10,000, $5,000, $8,000, $4,000. So you just decide to take one or more of these actions, and I'll bring you into the team. So are the people within the team actually performing well? Well, these are actually today's results, and it's important to note that it's not even lunchtime yet. And look at these figures: 39%, 580%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 550%, 500. If you were to remove your foot very slowly and gently, the water would fill the space back in much more gradually, wouldn't it? I'm using analogies today, you see. Anyway, so that's that. So what are the actual price objectives for Bitcoin moving forward? Well, from my perspective, what I anticipate is going to happen is, obviously, we're going to descend to the 50% Fibonacci level to consolidate. We're going to come down here to this support level in order to then attempt to break through those previous highs, maybe later this evening, to catch that upward momentum. And at the same time, I'm actually planning to host a live stream tonight at precisely 6:30 p.m., focusing on the weekly candle close. So if you're interested in participating in that, you're certainly welcome to join. And obviously, we'll be discussing Bitcoin in greater detail. We'll be trading live, and I won't be holding back any information. So right now, you have a sort of midterm guide. We should expect a downward movement. Down here on the indicator, it's something that requires careful observation. So we should anticipate a descent, perhaps somewhere around the $90,000 mark, to then push back up towards the $80,000 to $85,000 to $60,000 range, to then reattempt to capture the liquidity that is situated right here, in fact. So this is essentially the concept of the trend's pullback, and this is what I'm currently observing. I'm also going to be performing analyses on the other altcoins as well, such as the ADA, XRP, Solana, and Polygon. Let's talk about Polygon, which saw a 20% increase, ADA a 51% increase, and XRP, which had climbed to 40% and is now at 26%, indicating a pullback. So that concludes this brief update, if you will. If you're interested, do come and join me this evening at 6:30 p.m. for the live stream on the YouTube channel. And then, of course, if you're keen to acquire the Crypto-Quebec indicator, which, as you know, is completely free, you can find it over on my Discord server. And if you're looking to trade alongside me, if you wish to become a part of the Crypto-Quebec team, where we've now accumulated a total of 570 members who are actively engaged in global trading, I wholeheartedly encourage you to go ahead and choose